How to sign out of your PayPal account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sign out of your PayPal account. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the PayPal app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings section. Now here, once you are inside the settings section, at the bottom you can see the option labeled as logout. So here, if you tap on it, you'll be logged out of your PayPal account. And that's it. That's how you can log out of your PayPal account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.